What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today. And what I want to do, I want to go into the block and we're going to be looking at L1 comparisons. And what I want to do, guys, we're going to look at the Hodler ratio. And I want to break down from Bitcoin all the way to ALGO here, the coins that they give us for the Hodler ratio. I wanted to look at these, and really as we're going into this next bull market, I want you to focus on trading strength or being in coins that are strong. I made the mistake in past cycles before to where you'd look, past that top 100 and you would try to bottom fish some of these coins that had a really low market cap. And sometimes you can get lucky, but in my opinion, I think the best way to go is to follow the strength and where all the holders and the hodlers are going to be and where that big market cap, that big volume is going to be. I think that's going to be the best for you guys. I think staying in the top 25 or 30 is what's going to be the most important, and not really trying to find a coin that's on page 7 of coin market cap. So I want to go over the hodler ratio here, guys, and what this is one strong sign of conviction is a coin is that if it has users are holding onto the asset as a long-term position. The hodler ratio indicator looks at the percentage of all assets being held for over 12 months by addresses. Since April 2023, when the Chappella upgrade happened, if that's what it's called, guys, I apologize if I butchered that, for Ethereum, only Eth and LTC have seen a large increases in long-term holdings, while other coins have mostly stagnated. This could suggest that users are more optimistic that these coins will have the largest price upswings when the bull market returns. So as we're looking at this here, guys, I'm not saying this is a video for Eth or for Litecoin. We're going to go through each one of these and we're going to look at the strength here, and we're going to look at this hodler ratio and see how much conviction we have behind each coin. So first here, guys, I want to start with Bitcoin, and also if you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I want to bring this information to you as quick as possible. So for Bitcoin here, guys, we're going to look at blue. And I apologize that they don't get all the lines off in the background, guys, but this is the best I can do here. And I'd also turn to dark screen if I could, but obviously we're stuck on white here, so just bear with me. So for the hodler ratio here, for Bitcoin, we are right up around 70% here. So that's going to be your blue line. And you can see, guys, this is just showing strength overall. We're up around 70% there for the hodler percentage. So that's just incredible. And I've talked about this before. I made the mistake in 2017 when I first got in. I was looking at those smaller cap coins. I saw Bitcoin at $1,200, and I did not buy Bitcoin because I thought it was too expensive at that time. Obviously, coming into space, I didn't know anything about anything. But your natural tendency is to try to find those smaller coins where you can get more coins or more shares, when I actually should have been just looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum and playing the top ones, really looking for that strength. So the next one's going to be Ethereum. And for ETH here, guys, this is going to be in pink. It is now crossing up above Bitcoin. So that is significant, guys. That's pretty impressive there for the hodler ratio. And we're up over 70% now. If I can get it, it's kind of hard to get it exactly, 72.45%. The next one's going to be Cardano here, and this is going to be in blue. We have been picking up here, guys. You can see at the bottom. So we did have a low of about 4%, and now we are up here. We've been in an uptrend. We are up at around 31.85%. Next one we're going to do is Doge. Doge here, guys, this one's a little bit tougher to see just because of the line here, but we roughly are right in the range of 34.61%. Next one's going to be AVAX. AVAX down here is going to be at 15%, 15% for the hodler ratio. TRX here, guys, this has really been extreme, just up and down, really showing the swings, but right now we've been heading down, but we're at 54%. Litecoin here, guys, so we hit a low back in January. For Litecoin, we are at 38%, and right now Litecoin is right up around 61%. So not looking too bad for Litecoin there. And then Bitcoin Cash as well, guys, that's actually been staying a little bit stronger here for the hodling. That's up around 60%. Then we'll take a look at ALGO, and ALGO is going to be right at about 27% here. So guys, the main thing that I want to point out is really focusing on coins that have a lot of following, this hodler ratio behind it, and I'm going to be paying attention to this. I'd like to get this out maybe once a week, once every couple of weeks or so, really watch how each of these coins, if they're gaining in that hodler percentage, because that can tell us there's conviction behind these coins and that we may potentially run farther. So I want to get you a quick one here, guys. Love each and every one of you. God bless you all. Take care, my friends. Be safe out there.